Here's how to get follow alerts on your TikTok live for free. This is specifically for going live with a stream key using OBS, Streamlabs, or TikTok Studio. If you go live on TikTok mobile and want alerts, I got you covered with another video that shows exactly how to do that. The site has a ton you can do for your live stream. You can set up overlays and animations, goals and subscriptions, alerts for likes and follows, all that kind of stuff. It even has channel redemption points similar to Streamlabs and Stream Elements, but for this, we're gonna stick with the basics and show you how to set up follow alerts. Now, this is relatively simple, but there's a few specific steps that you need to do, otherwise the alerts will not work. First, you need to go to tikfinity.0.1. The site only has a desktop version, so it's easiest to set up on your PC or laptop, but you could still set it up using the browser on your phone. Once you're at Tikfinity, you need to log in and link your TikTok account. Navigate to the left side of the screen and scroll down to Action and Events. Then click Create New Action. Give it a name and choose all the actions you want to be triggered when this alert pops up. We're just gonna select Play Audio, Show Picture, and Show Alert. There's a link at the bottom of this page. You need to copy that link and add it as a browser source on your streaming software. Here's a pro tip. The sounds come through really loud, so turn the volume down, otherwise people won't be able to hear you over the alert. Once you get these set how you want, you're ready to go live and test them out. Now this part is important and the alerts will not work unless you do this. But real quick, if this video is helping you out at all, please like and subscribe and leave a comment letting me know, and check out my other videos for more tips on how to help your content stand out. All right, back to it. You need to navigate to the Start tab at Tikfinity at the top left corner, and you need to select Connect to TikTok Live. This has to be done after you've already gone live on TikTok. Leave this tab open on your browser and your alerts will go off when any of the actions are triggered. You're ready to rock. Your alerts will instantly start coming through. Let me know if this helped you, and good luck.